Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use talkback on realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. Okay, you have to scroll down and here you are going to find this accessibility option. So you have to click here on accessibility. When you click on it, here you are going to find here talkback, so move on talkback. Then if you want to use talkback, what you need to do is that here is the icon for the use of talkback. If you want to use, just click on this icon, scroll and click on allow. Here the talkback has been set on. Okay, so now if you want to click back button, just click back button and double tap. Okay, it means that you have to tap double. Okay, you have to tap double or twice. Okay, see, I tap once, then tap double. Okay, like this. Okay, just tap like this. See, again if you want to move setting, you can move like this. Okay, and if you want to scroll, you can with one finger, you have to use two finger like this. Okay, so if you want to click home button, you have to double tap on the home button. Okay, and if you want to slide this, you can slide with two finger. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.